Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to build a simple progress ring in Power BI. It's very beginner friendly and it's a nice way to compare actual sales with sales target. I already prepared a small table with columns like year month, actual sales, and sales target. First, let's create two basic measures. The first, sales actual total. This gives us total actual sales. The second, sales target total. This gives us total sales target. Now let's add a table visual. Drag in month number. Make sure it is set to don't summarize. Sales actual total and sales target total. I like to start with the table just to quickly check that the numbers look right before building the visual. Next, let's create the progress percentage. Sales progress percent. This measure divides actual sales by sales target. If the sales target is blank or zero, it returns zero instead of an arrow. Now drag this measure into the table. Here we can see a small issue. For month 6, actual sales are higher than sales target, so the progress is over 100%. That's not technically wrong, but for this kind of visual, I want to cap it at 100%. So I'll create another measure. Sales progress ring percent. This measure keeps the value between 0 and 1. So if the result is above 1, it becomes 1. If it's below 0, it becomes 0. Now drag this new measure into the table. You can see the maximum value is now 100%. Next, we need the remaining part of the ring. Create measure. Sales remaining percent. Drag this measure into the table too. Then go to Measure Tools and format this measure as percentage. Now let's build the progress ring. Add a donut chart. Drag these two measures into values. Sales progress ring percent and sales remaining percent. Then go to Format, turn off Legend and Detail labels. Now let's format the colors. Under Slices, select Sales remaining percent and set it to white. Then select Sales progress ring percent and choose a dark blue color. Next, go to Spacing and change the inner radius to 80%. This makes the ring a bit thinner and cleaner. Now let's add the percentage in the middle. Insert a card visual. Drag sales progress ring percent into value. Then in Format, under Callout, you can turn off the category label if you want a cleaner look. You can also adjust the font size. Next, add a text box from the top menu. Tap Completed. Make the text a little bigger. Now go to View and open Selection. In the layer order, make sure the text box and the card are above the progress ring. Then place them in the center of the ring. To keep everything together, hold Ctrl and select all three objects. Right-click, then choose Group. Now you can move them together as one visual. Finally, let's add a slicer. Drag month number into field. Then in Format, under Slicer Settings, change the style to Vertical List. Now when I select a month, the progress ring updates automatically. So this is a simple way to build a progress ring in Power BI. It's a useful visual when you want to show progress against the sales target in a clean way. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next video.